Pineapple upside-down cake epitomizes 60s kitchen coolness with its distinct preparation and delightful flavor. This affordable dessert was adored for both its presentation and taste. Similarly, Jell-O salads emerged as a quirky 60s trend, blending unexpected ingredients such as seafood and fruit. Their distinctive textures and amusing combinations made them a staple at parties. Spam found its place as a versatile and budget-friendly ingredient throughout the 1960s. Its long shelf life and adaptability solidified its status as a household essential. While Spam's low cost and widespread use marked its historical significance, health concerns later affected its popularity. This shift reflects the evolving dining trends over the decades. As a revolution in convenience, TV dinners appeared in the 1960s, offering prepackaged meals that provided time-saving solutions for busy families. Their unique packaging ensured even heating and easy serving. In addition, Swedish meatballs became a beloved comfort food in the 1960s, often featured at gatherings. Their distinct flavors, complemented by lingonberry sauce, made them unforgettable. The history of tuna noodle casserole traces back to a 1930 magazine submission, highlighting its roots in American culinary culture. It embodies the resourcefulness characteristic of an era focused on convenience. This dish incorporates key ingredients such as canned tuna and cream of mushroom soup, creating a flavorful base that resonates with families. This combination ensures it remains both budget-friendly and satisfying. Moreover, the playful twist of adding crushed potato chips as a topping enhances the dish's texture and elevates it to a dinner table favorite. This innovation solidified its status among cherished family meals. The popularity of Tang soared, fueled by its association with space exploration and the futuristic vibe of the 1960s. Families relished the chance to align with the excitement surrounding NASA's achievements. Similarly, space food sticks, developed for astronauts, became a symbol of nutritional innovation. They offered convenient energy snacks, inspiring modern energy bars, despite their gradual decline in popularity. Ambrosia salad stands out as a peculiar yet beloved dish of the 1960s, merging various fruits with unique dressings. Its affordability and simplicity made it a go-to choice for families during that period. The process of making liverwurst involves grinding liver and meats mixed with aromatic spices, resulting in a unique flavor profile. This traditional method contributes to its rich and distinctive taste. Chiffon cake became a popular dessert of the 1960s, revolutionizing baking with its airy texture derived from vegetable oil. This cake symbolized affordable elegance for various celebrations. Boozy punch, a vibrant drink from the 1960s, was celebrated for its fruity flavors and the lively social atmosphere it fostered. However, this nostalgic beverage has seen a decline amid contemporary health trends. The Waldorf salad's simple beginnings, featuring apples, celery, and mayonnaise, evolved into a more complex dish with walnuts and grapes during the Roaring '20s. Its transformation reflected changing tastes over time. In modern culinary culture, variations of the Waldorf salad now include ingredients like chicken and dried fruits, showcasing contemporary preferences and dining trends. Finally, the video also highlights other iconic dishes from the 1960s, such as green bean casserole, which solidified its position as a staple in American holiday celebrations.